How to download Messenger application on your PC or laptop. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can easily download the Messenger application on your PC or laptop. It's a simple process, so first thing, just head over to your Microsoft Store on your Windows 10 or 11. Once you're inside here, simply go to the search bar and search for Messenger. Once you search for the Messenger application, as you can see, it's available for free under the Microsoft Store on your Windows 10 or 11. All you have to do is click on the install button, and then just wait for some time for it to check your dependencies and installation. Based on your internet connection or speed, it should be automatically downloaded and installed on your device. Just wait for a few seconds, and once it is successfully downloaded and installed, you can search for that particular application in the search bar. Once you find it, simply open the application and start running it. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.